Hi, my name is Penny and I came to NSI about a year ago in 2018 because I'd had 4 knee procedures and nothing was really working for me. I was facing knee replacement, bone on bone in both knees, and my life has drastically changed because of it. Before the procedure, I literally had to have my husband help me downstairs at a movie theater or help me up off of a bench at a restaurant. Even getting up off the restroom, the toilet in the restroom, was a chore for me because my knees were in so much pain. And now I do all those things on my own, and I have NSI to thank for that. The staff here has been great. They're very friendly, very cordial, and I love the doctors. Everybody's been great to me, and I'm very, very thankful to my progress and look forward to many years of playing tennis, which I couldn't really do much before.